Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Seven of Wands with Two of Pentacles. I think you are juggling. Maybe you have to make some decision, but you are juggling. Maybe you are juggling between head over your heart, Scorpio. And Seven of Wands, but you won't give up on this connection. Maybe you won't give up on your life right now. Seven of Wands, you are very, very defensive. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Wands, King of Swords, and Four of Wands. Yeah, there is passion in this relationship and you are very straightforward, very honest in this relationship. And Four of Wands, for some you both could be twin flames journey. There was communication happened between both of you, which is very crucial in past. Yes, past was okay. Then present, Tower, the Sun and Judgment. There is some tower moment you are going through right now, Scorpio. It could be, the reason could be family issues or the relationship or work pressure. But you are going to be make some decision, some major decision making, because the Judgment is here and the Sun card is here. Maybe for some children's also involved in this relationship, but you are going to be make some major decision. Yes, May month is very, very crucial for you. Then future, the Fool, King of Cups and Four of Swords. So you want to overcome this tower moment and you want to be in the present moment and live, going with the flow. Live the Fool energy. You want to be in this energy near future and you will be. And King of Cups, someone want to offer their cup of love to you. For some it could be a new person entering into your life. For some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. And Four of Swords, you are undergoing some healing process. You want to heal yourself from past hurts. And but you are thinking about someone a lot, but you are doing healing. Yes, someone is approaching to offer their cup of love to you. You in near future you will be in this Fool energy, living in the present moment and going with the flow. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Cups. Yeah, they're wishing for this connection. First we will see your person feelings. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person, Scorpio. Yeah, they want to say apology to you because Page of Cups, maybe they are immature. Yeah, maybe they hurt you in past. They cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely backstabbing. Five of Swords energy is here. Seven of Swords. Maybe this person is very, very sneaky, playing games with you in past. Yeah, now they want to say apology to you. They want to text you. Page of Cups energy is here. And Four of Wands. So if you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. So let's see intentions. They are missing you, they're feeling missed opportunity with you. 4 of cups, they're feeling bored without you. And 9 of swords, yeah, now they're having regrets. Now they're realizing you both. And 8 of pentacles, now they really want to work on this relationship, but you are not trusting them. I'm getting trust issues between you and your person. And wheel of fortune is here. Definitely your person waiting for the right time to approach you. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, this person is in and out of your life. There is no stability, there is no commitment. For some third party situation also involved in this relationship, but now they're realizing you both. They really want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. But again they are taking it very slow, because 8 of pentacles is also slow moving energy, and wheel of fortune is divine timing. Yeah, page of pentacles, text is coming. And 3, yes, waiting period. For some, you both live in different cities, countries, or states, long distance relationship. And the Hierophant, yes, this person right now thinking about commitment. Yes, they want to marry you if you are in relationship with this person. So, but there is some waiting period between you and your person, because 3 of wands, maybe your person waiting for right time. They're waiting for positive growth in this relationship. You are heartbroken, and they are rushing to communicate with you. And Ace of Pentacles, this time your person really want to offer long-term commitment to you. Ace of Pentacles, they want new beginnings with you, but you are not trusting them. They break your trust. Now you are not trusting them anymore. Maybe you always there for your person, but they are in and out of your life. But again they are coming back. It's up to you to accept or reject them. Yeah, temperance, patience is the key, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. And page of swords, so they are spying on you, they are watching you, they are wondering about you a lot. Yes, they are spying you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. And patience is the key, and the person involved in this connection could be another Sagittarius. So it's up to you guys to accept or reject them. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Marriage, past person return, I want to be honest with you, twin flames, and I always thinking about you. Wow, very positive messages. Marriage, definitely if you are waiting for commitment from your person side, yes, it is coming, and they are always thinking about you. And past person return, definitely past person is coming back, and they want to be honest with you. Maybe, yeah, this person trust issues between both of you, but now they're realizing you both, they want to be honest with you. And for some, you both could be twin flames. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Scorpio. Emotions are running high, Super Moon. The answers you need are coming, Full Moon in Gemini. So if you are searching for answers for your questions, definitely some answers you need are coming, especially when Full Moon in Gemini. And so emotions are running high, Super Moon. So if your emotions are running high, so you have to do meditation to calm yourself, to heal yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.